A well-maintained 5-bedroom home in New Maryland backing onto a park? What's not to love?
Welcome to 11 Weston Street. First is the bright dining room for big family meals. And next we have the spacious kitchen with a pellet stove and a large island, in case you love a good maritime kitchen party. The adjacent living room is perfect for entertaining, and it offers a ductless heat pump for year-round comfort. Access to the attached garage, a large back deck, and a full bathroom with laundry completes the main floor. The upper level offers a classic family-friendly layout with a full bathroom and 3 bedrooms, including the primary with its own heat pump, walk-in closet, and ensuite bathroom. The walkout basement offers 2 more bedrooms, a family room, and plenty of storage. Exterior features include a detached 2-car garage, a concrete patio, and beautiful landscaping.
Thanks for watching. For more information on 11 Weston Street, New Maryland,
visit frederictonhomes.com.